Preparation. Okay. Preparation technique is there when you need it. If I pick up a script and have an innate feel for it, then maybe I don't need to do anything. I get it, I trust it, I go for it. That's not the case most of the time. There might be moments in a script where I do have that. But what happens when I don't? Or what happens when I got to do it take after take or night after night? That's where preparation comes in. And preparation is so I don't come in empty. You don't hold on to your preparation. Preparation is for, when I prepare on a monologue or a scene, I start from the back of the scene and work my way forward. I start at the back and I go over the different beats and I go over the choices I have for those moments. I do that to make sure that my choice still holds meaning. Maybe I've been doing it for a while and I just want to make sure, it's like starting a car on a cold winter's day. I want to make sure my car is going to start, but I don't get there and race the engine. So I don't get to that moment and fully blow it out. I just feel it grab hold of me. Then as I'm going forward, if there's a moment I get it, I don't spend time there. I go to the next beat that I need to clarify for me and make sure that it still holds meaning. And I get to the first moment, and it's probably the biggest lesson that we have to learn, to trust that the choices I made are there. I don't think about it anymore. And I come from what has just happened before that brings me to this moment and prepare on that first moment. And I don't hold on to my preparation, and then I'm left with the moment-to-moment working off my partner. And in my preparation, I got to pick choices that are personal and meaningful to me. And sometimes that means I draw directly from a real-life experience because it parallels what's happening in the scene, and that's the strongest choice. And sometimes it's purely imaginary. You know, sometimes I may not have to go anywhere. Maybe I can use what exists right there. You know, I was working on a thing once, and my preparation was one to put myself in this place where I was angry. And there were people off to the side joking around, and it was pissing me off. And then I remember at a certain moment thinking, fucking people are pissing me off. I wish they would stop. I'm trying to prepare to get pissed off here with my music. And I realized, oh shit, and take that off. This is feeding me much more. So sometimes just there's these happy accidents. Sometimes there's these happy accidents. I always use music for preparation. Always. It's a way of keeping me centered and keeping the circus around me out. It helps me stay emotionally where I feel I need to go with the scene. So I always have like this soundtrack. Plus I love music. I always have these songs that trigger something in me. You know, we carry in our pockets today the greatest actor's tool, right? If I don't know something, I can look it up. If I don't know how to pronounce something, I can look it up. If I don't know how to say something, I can hear it. If I need to emotionally prepare, I got my music here, or my pictures here. You know, I can put my script in there. I mean, it's an amazing tool we have there. You know, just pop out of Facebook and use it it really is a great tool. And you're using it for this, right? To make your own movies.